Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best stovetop pressure cookers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, premium, or somewhere in between, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Presto 01241 4-quart aluminum pressure cooker. This compact and lightweight option is perfect for small households or individuals who don't need a larger capacity. Its 4-quart size makes it ideal for preparing quick meals like soups, beans, or even small roasts. It features a durable aluminum construction that ensures even heat distribution while keeping the overall weight manageable. Performance-wise, this cooker delivers dependable results, cutting cooking time significantly compared to traditional methods. Users appreciate its simplicity, as it doesn't come with an overload of features that could complicate its use. However, its smaller capacity does limit its versatility for larger meals, and the inner lid closure system may take some getting used to for those new to pressure cooking. If you're on a budget, but want a reliable pressure cooker for everyday use, the Presto 01241 is a solid choice. It's an affordable entry point into the world of pressure cooking. But larger families might want to look at bigger options on this list. Coming in at number 3 is the iMusa 7-quart stovetop aluminum pressure cooker, the most budget-friendly option on our list. Despite its low price, this cooker doesn't skimp on essential features. With a 7-quart capacity, it's well-suited for medium to large households and can handle everything from beans to poultry with ease. Its polished aluminum finish not only looks sleek, but also ensures even heat distribution for consistent results. What sets this model apart is its focus on safety. It's equipped with multiple safety valves and a risk-free opening mechanism, giving users peace of mind during operation. The cool touch handle further enhances the safety and convenience. However, being an aluminum pressure cooker, it's less durable than stainless steel models, and may show signs of wear over time. Additionally, while it's dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to preserve its polished exterior. If you're looking for an affordable, no-frills pressure cooker that gets the job done, the iMusa 7-quart stovetop aluminum pressure cooker is a great choice. It's perfect for those new to pressure cooking or anyone on a tight budget, though it may not have the longevity of higher-end models. At number 2, we have the Kobach 8-quart stainless steel pressure cooker, a versatile and thoughtfully designed option for busy kitchens. With its large 8-quart capacity, this cooker is perfect for batch cooking or preparing meals for a crowd. The stainless steel construction not only offers a modern aesthetic, but also ensures durability and compatibility with a variety of stovetops, including induction. One of the standout features of the Kobach pressure cooker is its one-handed operation, which makes it incredibly easy to use. The 360-degree locking lid is both innovative and practical, and the triple safety protection system ensures safe operation even at high pressure levels. It's also dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus for hassle-free cleanup. However, at over 10 pounds, it's heavier than most models, which may make it less convenient to handle. The Kobach 8-quart stainless steel pressure cooker is an excellent choice for those who prioritize safety, convenience, and a premium build. It's ideal for home chefs who want a reliable and versatile cooker for a wide range of recipes. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Presto 01362 6-quart stainless steel pressure cooker. This premium model strikes the perfect balance between performance, durability, and user-friendly features. Its 6-quart capacity is ideal for small to medium households, and the high-quality stainless steel build ensures even cooking and long-lasting performance. What makes the Presto 01362 stand out is its automatic pressure regulator, which maintains the perfect pressure level for consistent results. It's also compatible with regular, Stovetop, and induction ranges, making it one of the most versatile options out there. The included 64-page recipe book is a nice bonus for beginners or those looking to expand their cooking repertoire. The locking lid and cover lock indicator prioritize safety, ensuring that the cooker won't open until the pressure is safely reduced. While it's on the pricier side, the extended 12-year warranty speaks to its quality and durability. For those who want a dependable, high-performance pressure cooker that can handle a variety of cooking tasks, the Presto 01362 is the ultimate choice. It's an investment worth making for anyone serious about pressure cooking. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.